Here we have a 2015 Ford Escape SE, 20,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax, in Ingot silver. Really a good looking car here. Nice, reliable, compact SUV offered by Ford for quite some time with a redesign that came in 2013. You can see it's got kind of an aerodynamic look. Got your LED fogs down below. You got your halogen headlamps up top. 5-spoke alloy wheel here with Tiger Paw, Uniroyal Tiger Paws on it, brand new, or light new, probably 10, 11, 30 seconds here. You see a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Right now you're looking in at a manual adjustment on a two-tone gray with offset white stitching cloth interior. We got two captain's chairs with a full console that flows in between, dark charcoal carpeting. Continue around to the back. Like I say, this is in your compact SUV segment, but you can see you still have very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants. Same two-tone gray interior back here also. Also showing you again that you do have matching Uniroyals with about the same 10-30 seconds of tread here on the back, scuff-free 5-spoke wheel, and a resurfaced rear rotor there as well. Now we'll continue around to the back. You could see your SE badging there. Of course, it does have the EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. You got your escape designation there also. Also want to show you it does have a factory backup camera. Let's go ahead and pop the hatch here so you can see. Of course, this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle also, but you can see a 40/60 on your fold down and rear seat if you need a little more room, but you do have very ample cargo room even with the seats stowed up. So you see your full spare there and jack tools. Also, we have a 12-volt power supply there in the back for electronic devices, maybe your tailgating, something of that nature, might need some power. Always put a little outlet back here for you. Continuing around to this side. Again, just want to show you matching tires all the way around. Uniroyal Tiger Paws, 10, 30 seconds or more, and resurfaced rear rotor. No scrapes or scuffs on that alloy wheel either. Looking in the back here, you can see again, two-tone cloth interior. And Ford always gives you the ability for your combo entry and exit. Really nice. Keep the car on, keep the climate controlled. But you see you have a full power seat here on the driver's side, which is a nice touch. Also, just want to kind of give you the controls and layouts, give you an idea what it's like to be behind the vehicle here. So I'll start the tour off on the door where you'll find classic positioning of your windows, mirrors, and lock switches there. Also want to show you the key. We do have two of these keys, but as you can see, it is integrated with a keyless laser cut key with your integrated key fob there for keyless entry. Now we're going to go ahead and jump in and see if I can start this up and give you a little bit more of the tour. There you see only 20,000 miles on a 15, very good miles for the year. Let's go ahead and continue the tour. Your fog light buttons there, your automatic headlamp controls are there. Toggling the dimness of the cluster can be found to the right of that. We got your stem to the left with your high beams and your turn signals. Stem to the right is your intermittent wiper washers. Control pad here on the left is to control your display there in the center. You can see we got tripometer, digital speedometer, average fuel economy, which is 28 miles a gallon, very good. Instant fuel economy, trip timers, tire pressure monitoring, all kinds of different devices there. Also, we got your Bluetooth and your audio controls on your steering wheel on the right side. Over here, we have your cruise control to the lower left. Now, your display for your radio is up top here. Now, we do have your basic radio, single CD with your AM, FM, and your satellite. Of course, the ability to pair any Bluetooth device. Down here, you have your climate control sliders, 4-ways, defrost. Got your sport transmission where you can actually pick the gears here on the side on your automatic. 12-volt power supply, 2 large cup holders. And in the consoles where you'll find your connectivity. There you can see your USBs, your audio pre-outs, another 12-volt power supply. So you got all kinds of places within the car that you can, go ahead and power up your devices or whatever, whatever you may need there. Now we'll continue on with the tour here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Show you what we got underneath. Hood releases right here. There you see, very clean, very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. All the electrical terminals are nice and clean. Very well maintained engine, which you would expect with any 20,000 miles, which you don't always get. Now I'm going to shut the vehicle off. We'll get into the next portion of this video. The next portion of this video really, I think, differentiates us from a lot of folks. Main reason, not only are we upfront in the pricing, completely transparent that way, we also are going to be upfront in the condition of our vehicle. So my job is to kind of be your eyes and your ears. I'm going to walk around this vehicle, point out any chip, ding, scratch, dent, anything I can find. If I see anything, I'll definitely make sure to let you guys know. Like I say, it's a one owner, shows no signs of any prior paint. Do have a couple little scratches here on this driver's door, as you can see there, but shows no signs of any prior paint. Little chip there. All the body lines are nice and straight and clean. Of course, it has a good history. You know, a clean Carfax one owner. Just pointing out a couple little stone chips here. I haven't noticed any dents. There's a very nice pinstripe that runs down the side there, kind of break up that monotone color, but no dents, just a couple little scratches and chips there on that driver's side. Continuing around to the back, the front face of this looks very good also. A little tiny chip right there, but another little one right there on the edge. It looks good. I mean, we got a little bit of scuffs here on this little plastic trim piece here, but probably from uploading and unloading a little bit of cargo there in the hatch area, but little chip up on that belt line there. But really, really clean. I haven't found any dents. Just a couple little stone chips, a couple little minor scrapes on the cladding. Passenger side looks really good. Little tiny scuff scrape right there. Little chip beside it. Same here on this fascia, there you see. Of course, we're gonna have some stone chips, a little bit of bug damage across this lower portion. A little chip there on the front. Really unavoidable with the aerodynamics of these cars today. Nose down, you're gonna pick some of those chips up, but you're gonna have those on any vehicle. Across the hood as well, just a few little stone chips that made their way up. Try to point them out and show them to you guys, but other than some chips and a few minor scratches, it's very much a like new unit. Great new car alternative. It does still have the remainder of Ford's comprehensive and powertrain warranty, so you can buy this car with confidence. Now, if you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.